Hi everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to place for mastering Salesforce the easy way. Today, we're diving into an important piece of case management, creating case queues and assignment rules. If you've ever wondered how Salesforce automatically routes cases to the right team, you're in the right place. Today, we're not just learning theory. By the end of this session, you'll know how to set up case queues, create a case assignment rule, and test your setup to make sure everything's running smoothly. So let's jump right in. First up, we're creating queues. Think of queues like waiting rooms where cases sit until a support agent picks them up. To set up the queues for Ursa Major Solar, click the gear icon and select Service Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Queues and select it. Click New to create our first queue. Fill in the details. Label it as Product Support Tier 1. Set the queue email to productsupport1@ursamajorsolar.com. Select Case as the supported object and click Add. Under Queue Members, find User, your name, in the list and add yourself to the selected members. Then hit Save. Nice work. Now let's create Product Support Tier 2. Click New again, label it Product Support Tier 2. Set the queue email to productsupport2@ursamajorsolar.com. Select Case as the supported object and add user Ada Balewa as a member. Save it again. One more to go. Let's create the inquiry queue. Click New, label it Inquiry, set the queue email to inquiry@ursamajor.com. Select Case as the supported object and add Ada Balewa as a member. Save it. And just like that, you've built your first queues. Queues are great, but how do cases know where to go? That's where assignment rules come in. Let's create a rule to auto-assign new cases to the right queue. In Service Setup, type Case Assignment Rules into Quick Find and select it. Click New, name your rule Standard Case Assignment and check Active. Save it. Now let's add the rule entries. For the first entry, Product Support Cases, click on Standard Case Assignment. Under Rule Entries, click New, set Sort Order to 1. Run this rule if criteria are met. Set field to Case, Case Record Type, Operator to Equals, Value to Product Support, and assign it to the Product Support Tier 1 queue. Click Save and New. For the second entry, Inquiry Cases, set Sort Order to 2. Field to Case, Case Record Type, Operator to Equals, Value to Inquiry, and assign it to the Inquiry queue. Click Save. Quick cleanup task. Let's rename the automated case user. Search for support settings in Quick Find, click Edit, and set the automated case user to System. This way, when the system makes automated updates, it shows System instead of your admin name. Nice and tidy. Time to make sure everything works. Open the app launcher and select Service. Go to the Contacts tab, change the list view to Recently Viewed, then click on Pat Stomola. Under the Cases Related list, click New. Choose Record Type, Product Support, then click Next. Fill in the details. Type as Problem, Case Reason as Performance, Product as Solar Panels, Status as New, Case Origin as Phone, Subject as Solar Panels Not Working, and Description as Solar Panels Are Not Generating Power. Make sure Assign using Active Assignment Rules is selected, then click Save. Finally, click the new case number and confirm that the case owner is Product Support Tier 1. Success! Your routing is officially working. Today, you learned how to build queues to organize your support cases, create assignment rules to auto-route cases, and test the setup to verify it's working perfectly. With this, your customer support teams can respond faster and more efficiently. High fives all around. Thanks so much for learning with us today at the Declarative Academy. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and walkthroughs. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and stay awesome.